The wait is over. Motorola finally launched the Moto RAZR 2022 and the phone is everything we expected it to be. The new foldable keeps the signature clamshell design and comes with an improved display, dual cameras and a flagship chipset. The screen's diagonal is 6.7 inch, which is the same as the predecessor, but that's where the similarities end. The new OLED panel has a better hinge that bends in a pear shape to close completely when folded. It supports HDR10 Plus and comes with 144Hz refresh rate. Also, Motorola dropped the weird notch with the panel tucking underneath and introduced a punch hole design for the 32 megapixel front facing camera. Now we don't want to call it a selfie shooter, as selfies will likely be taken with the dual camera on the back in combination with the external 2.7-inch OLED screen that apparently remains unchanged. The main camera has a 50 megapixel sensor and OIS identical to what is used on the Edge 30 Pro and S30 Pro. The secondary camera is a 13 megapixel ultra wide angle shooter with 121 degrees field of view. The previous two Moto RAZR phones had Snapdragon 7 series chipsets, but finally the Moto RAZR 2022 comes with a flagship Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. Other specs include support for RAW shooting, MyUI 4.0 interface that redesigned some apps to work on the outer screen as well. Dual speakers with Dolby Atmos support and proper DC dimming. The Moto RAZR 2022 is already available for pre-order on the company's Chinese website in only one color, black. Prices are 6,000 Chinese yuan and it makes $890 for an 8GB and 128GB storage variant. We don't if and when Motorola will bring it overseas for now. We have heard practically nothing on the matter.